heck is my cat doing? Hey, mister, what are you doing in there? Oh my goodness. What is this? Dude, why'd you just stick your head in there? Oh my goodness. So much skin right there. Dude, what are you doing? What are you doing? He just stuck his head in the blanket and started to like massage it. He's massaging the blanket. Hey. Hey. Hey, what are you doing? What are you doing? Oh my goodness. Why do cats like eating blankets? Right? Are you ruining it? I want to see. I'll check over here if you ruined it. No, I don't think you did. Well, I wonder if all cats do this. Because I know my cat always does that to blankets. Especially this blanket. He really likes it. He likes to massage it. Okay, this cat's just... Oh my goodness. What are you doing? Hey. Nothing? Okay, well, there's my cat. He's still doing it.